name is Peace.
Auntie
If you are just seeing my face for the first time, you are new here.
Auntie Peace. I'm so happy to meet you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Come inside.
Yes, it's fine though. Hi guys. So I'm going to meet Peace Tom. I don't know, some of you may know Peace Tom, some of you may not know. She's a YouTuber. She's from my place. So I want to go and meet her for the first time. I want to go and visit her. I gave her a call and she asked me to come. So I'm going to her house for the first time. She directed me to her house. I'm going to her house for the first time. I'm going with my little angel and Abasi Freke. Mama, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So we are going to meet Auntie Peace. We are going to meet Auntie Peace for the first time. So yeah, see it. So you are talking as if you know Auntie Peace. So yeah, look now, look the camera. You are talking. So we are going to meet her for the first time. So I'm in her streets now. I'm in her streets now. So let me go there. Come with us. Mama, are you happy to see Auntie Peace?
No.
You know? Okay. So guys, I think I'm close to where she asked me to stop. Where she asked me to stop. So let me wait here and call her. But Sifra, give me the small phone. Let me call her. This is where she asks us to stop. Let me call her and hi guys.
Hi guys.
What's your name? Say my name is Iniebasi. Say Iniebasi. Oh yeah. And this is Abasi Freke. Okay guys, so let me call Peace now. Okay, it's ringing. Hello. Yeah, men come cut monsieur. Okay.
Hello?
Okay, I'm with Peace now. Okay, hello. Hello, Peace.
Yeah?
Okay, I'm in the place you asked me to stop.
Okay, but I'm coming out.
Okay, no problem. So guys, she has speak. We are waiting to see her for the first time. Oh, look at her there. Oh my goodness. So yeah, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Hey guys. This is Peace Tom. Some of you will know her. She's a popular She's a popular YouTuber.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.
Hello guys.
Mama.
My name is Peace.
Auntie
If you are just seeing my face for the first time, you are new here.
Say Auntie Peace. Say hello, Auntie Peace. Say hi, guys.
Yes, coming.
Yeah, see, guys. Oh,
Welcome.
wow. So this is where you stay.
Yes, darling.
Wow. Your house is beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. 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 Mama, see this one. See the way she's looking around. Okay, thank you. I've been watching you only on YouTube. You are very beautiful in real life. Oh. Guys, this is Peace House. Wow. I'm so happy to meet you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Come inside.
Your house is fine, though.
Thank you. My house is fine, but there's no space. Business don't carry my house.
Abby?
That's what we do for a living. We don't have job here. We don't have job here.
Okay, this is all fun. This is all the things you sell.
Yeah.
Wow. See our fun, oh, guys. If you want to buy our fun, please call Foodstuffs.
The best seller.
See, Producer Leaf. Please, you dey try, oh.
Yeah, oh, that is
They're trying.
Anyway, guys, if you are just seeing this channel for the very first time and you know me already, please do subscribe to our channel. I'm going to share this video because this is my first time seeing her and she looks beautiful. So I'm going to share this video. Please follow and support our channel. I love you.
Thank you. I love you. Let me sit down so that Peace will entertain me.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have your seat.
So guys, we have entered work. Peace have downloaded us with enough food.
Which one be a download? I don't give them anything.
We are eating enough food, enough drink.
Don't mind now.
Now I want to help her. I want to see what she does. See her farm. See Uziza Leaf. This girl is very hardworking. Oh. Jesus Christ.
On white material, 200 million. Yeah.
I'm telling you, white material. Is this paper? White material.
This thing.
So guys, I want to help her to select her farm.
And guys, very soon she will be selling the same thing after she gives birth. When she put to bed, she will join the business.
Mama, come and help Auntie Peace. Do you know how to do this thing? So let's help her.
Okay, thank you for helping me.
Thank you. Thank you for welcoming us.
Anyway, guys, let me go front so that you can see me proper. I hope you guys see me very well. I'm in the kitchen. I'm trying to fix up kitchen. Kitchen was so dirty. For 2 days now, I don't think I on my gas cooker because
What have you been eating?
me I can drink tea.
Are you serious?
From where I can drink tea or mineral or so anything I can eat or cornflakes. I don't like biscuits, common biscuits. I don't like cornflakes. I can eat that one.
Yeah.
No, normal because normal it's not every time that I'm busy like that.
Okay.
But anytime I'm busy, then if I'm busy, then I don't have soup in the freezer. That means no food. Now walk. Anyway, guys, so join us as a content creator in Akwa Ibom State. Join us here.
Yes, sir. I'm so happy to meet you. Nice, yes. Your food.
Alright, guys, see you later. Let me into kitchen. I'm going out very soon. I'm gonna leave these people in this house.
I'm leaving us. Today is our first time going to your house and you want to leave us.
See me, one thing means that nobody is visitor in my house. People that visit me, the amount of people that visit me from Lagos, Aba. I have 2 people that visit from Aba. Yes. I have 2 people that visit me from Lagos and they stay in my house, I think, about a month. I don't see anyone as visitor if you come. If you are hungry, if I have anything that
kitchen.
go they cook the way you finish. Eat your own day, your own. Nobody there. That is me, you know. I see one comment in one video that I posted that somebody visit. They say, please be careful before they post it. If person me, I won't die. I don't die. I don't die.
You have antidote inside
yes,
you.
when I die something, the thing will just die. So anyway, no, I don't have visitor in the house, so I'm gonna leave them very soon. I just want to clear kitchen and one for AC for them and go out. I want to tomorrow is school, so I need to go and change my hair because school.
Peace is very beautiful real life. If you see her real life, see her skin. Hey, this girl. Hey.
Now when you
no whining. Seriously, guys, this girl is very beautiful. You We have entered work, oh, guys. Let me carry this thing so that you guys can see what we are doing. This is afam. It's vegetable. It's one of our native vegetable for afam soup. So if you need it, please place order. Contact Foodstuffs to buy your afam, fresh one, sand free. Anything you want, afang, atama, editan, even fish, oh, fish, crayfish, snail, anything you want, Peace will give you. Ha, this girl, she's jack of all trades. Guys, the work is much. Ha! This work is much for one person. She's really trying, oh. When she finishes like this, she'll wash it very well, dry it. After drying, she'll slice it and then still dry it again. No be small work, oh. No be small work, Peace they do. Oh. I don't have to do it no more. So guys, I'm done in Peace house. We are about to go home now. Mama, yeah guys, we are going now. So we are leaving now. Peace step out to buy something. So we are going to meet her on the road. Thank you guys for watching. Please share this video, like, subscribe, and comment. Let's go. Let's go. Back okay. So we are going. Good evening. Yeah. Now. Mami.